In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own Ghibli-style photo using Grok. If you're a fan of Studio Ghibli and have ever wished to see your photos transformed into artworks reminiscent of their enchanting world, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the magical process of turning your ordinary images into extraordinary Ghibli-style creations. To begin, we need to head over to Google. Open up your web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once you're there, it's time to get ready for the next step. Typing Grok into the search bar. Grok is the tool we'll be using to apply that dreamy Ghibli touch to your photos, and this will help us find the official website quickly. After you've typed in Grok and pressed enter, you should see a list of search results. The next thing you'll want to do is locate the official Grok website. It should be right there among the top results, so go ahead and click on it to enter their site. Once inside the Grok website, you'll notice various features that it offers. But for our purpose today, you want to find the option to upload a file. This is where you'll be able to select the photo from your device that you wish to transform. Simply click the Upload a File button, and a dialog box should appear allowing you to choose an image from your files. Make sure the image you select is high quality, as better initial quality often results in a better end product. With your photo now uploaded to Grok, it's time for the exciting part, crafting a Ghibli-style prompt. Think of this as describing how you want your photo to look after the transformation. You might want to imagine the colors, the mood, and the overall atmosphere. This is where your creativity really gets to shine. You don't need to be an artist or a writer, just describe how you'd like your image to be interpreted in the Ghibli style. Perhaps with a focus on whimsical colors, subtle backgrounds, or even particular themes from your favorite Ghibli movies. Once your prompt is ready and you're satisfied with it, all that's left is to click on Submit. With a simple click, Grok goes to work, applying its magic to your photo based on the prompt you provided. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've transformed an ordinary photo into a delightful Ghibli-style piece of art, ready to share with friends or display as a personal treasure. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and that you enjoy creating these beautiful pieces. Happy crafting! And may your images be forever enchanted.